I'm gonna break down how I made a beat that is out now on my Spotify. It's something completely different. It's the first time I made this drum and bass type of sounds, but this was the pattern I came up with. With the sound of Nexus, super fire, super dreamy. I added a bunch of effects on this, halftime and super VHS. Halftime part is later in the beat, but I just layered this with another Nexus sound. 1 octave up, real simple. Second pattern is another sound of Nexus, same pattern again. I love this, I love this. Then again, I got this little hit or impact sound from Nexus. Bro, that shit go fucking viral. This shit is hard. I don't know, this shit is go hard in my opinion. Then we got like a deep Reese bass that just follows the root notes. Crazy in my opinion. Simple. Last but not least, we got the same pattern with like some top notes over it. It's like an ARP from Serum. It was just perfect for the melody, bro. Then I played these little leads. Then I played these little leads. That was basically it. And then all together just went fucking nuts. Hey bro, let me know down below if this is like approved in the drum and bass community or not. This was literally the first time I made this. I heard the melody and I was like, this is like a drum and bass melody type of stuff. Like, I've been listening to like some different type of music as well instead of like hip hop and stuff. I really enjoyed making this. It's something completely different from what I usually make. But that is what music is about, having fun and letting the inspiration flow. So comment down below and let me know if you ever experienced with different type of genres.